Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. He is a famous actor with a net worth of approximately $300 million. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Robert Downey Jr. Robert Downey Jr. Robert Downey Jr. Robert Downey Jr. This actor is known for his dynamic performances and charismatic presence. Some of his top movies include Iron Man, Sherlock Holmes, and Avengers: Endgame. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Robert Downey Jr., be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.